Hi everybody and welcome to this video. So this video is going to be a bit of a HIIT workout, so a belly dance workout. We're going to do 1 minute workout and 30 seconds break, and in the 30 seconds break I'm going to be showing you and demonstrating what the next move will be whilst you rest. When we get to the end of the workout, if you're like, no, I want to do it again, I wasn't enough, let me do some more, then just do the workout again. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Let's go. All right, music, check. All right, let's go. So we're going to start off with our 30-second break. All right, so our first movement's going to be alternating shimmies, so legs together, shimmies. We're going to be alternating shimmies with out and in, just to get us nice and warmed up. Your hands, you can have hand motions of your choice. So if I put the hands in and it's too much for you, just work on the legs, alternating with the shimmies, okay? So whilst we're waiting for the 1 minute to begin, you can rest or we can shimmy. Optional shoulder rolls. Okay, you ready? We're gonna start out and in now. Out, out. So 1 minute. 4, 3, 2. Gonna go into a shimmy. Shimmy and roll your shoulders if you can. So we're using this as an opportunity to warm up. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, out and in. Out and out and out and optional arms. Out, 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 out. 4, 3, 2, shimmies. Optional shoulder rolls for 4, 3, 2, out and in again. Option 1, just hands on your hips. Option 2, hands with the arms and the legs all together. 4, 3, 2, last set of shimmies, last few seconds left. Rolling your shoulders. Okay, now for the next move we're going to do, you can rest, otherwise you can follow along with me if you're like, nah, I don't need to rest, I'm just getting started. We're going to go into an earthquake shimmy. Earthquake shimmy is a vertical shimmy. If it hurts, grab a hold. Otherwise you're bouncing up and down as if you're on a trampoline. Keep the heels on the floor. Make sure legs don't completely lock, keep them slightly bent. And you're bouncing up and down, up and down. Option 1, you're just going to focus on this. And option 2, you're going to put the hands in. Ready, time starts now. So off we go. I'm going to bring my hands slightly in front of me. Keep the bounce going. If it gets too much at any time and it hurts, ladies, grab a hold. Otherwise, keep it moving up and down. Up and down. I like to have my hands slightly in front of me. Everything's going up and down. Chest, belly, butt cheeks, arms, everything's going up and down in a vertically. Option 1 as you are. Option 2, arm circles. Keeping that going for me. Try not to be tense, try to be nice and relaxed. You're not locking your knees, keeping the heels flat on the floor. Optional to twist and rotate. The arms up at the front, down at the back, up at the front, down at the back. Keep that going. We're almost there, last few seconds. Yes, 4, 3, 2, okay, relax. Option 1, if you're like, no, I don't need to rest, continue doing that while I show you the next move. In our 30-second break, we're going to do hip circles. And option 1 is to do the hip circles, just hip circling. And option 2, you're going to put a shimmy on top. We also can put arms into this. If it gets too much, just focus on the hips. Okay, so let's get started. Let's just start with a shimmy while waiting for our timer to kick in. All right, you ready? Off we go, hip circles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, feel free to go slower than me or faster than me if you wish. Option for those who want to give it a go. Try and put a shimmy on top. Try to keep the circle going the whole time. Okay, move a little bit closer for you. Here we go. Here we go. Trying to keep the shimmy going. If you're doing a circle with the shimmy, you might want to make the circle a bit slower so that you can actually execute the movements. All right, we're going to change direction. Okay, other way. Circle first. Option 1, just a circle. My legs, my feet are flat on the floor. My knees are soft. And optional, put a shimmy on top. A shimmy on top. There we go. 4, We've got a few more seconds. I'm trying to cut it short. Don't cut it short. Don't cut it short. We got 10 seconds left. Okay, breathing. It's too much. Put your hands out of the way. Okay. Okay, option 1, rest. Option 2, continue with your earthquake shimmy while I demonstrate for you the next move. And the next move is going to be figure of 8s. So, have a look. I'm going to do out, in, and then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. So, hip, 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 hip. Be left, right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left, right. Ready? Are you shimmy going? Hey, out, in, 1, 2. Enjoy it. Hands of your choice on this one. You might decide you want to just focus on the hips. You might decide you want to use your hands in some way you like. If you need to go slower than me, I'll go slower. Okay? And I'm really using the balls of my feet to allow me to be able to really snake my hips. So I'm letting my heels lift. Yes, if I go to the back, keep going. Ha, 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 ha. Almost there. Ba, 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 ba. Ra, 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 ra. Ooh, ooh. Hey. Ha, ha. 2, 3, getting hot, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Rest. Option 1, rest. If you need a break, option 2, shimmy through the break. Any shimmy of your choice while I demonstrate. The next move is going to be hip lifts. Classical position, high heel, posture, chest up, shoulders down, long neck. We're going to do ups, ups. Using the weight oblique muscle in your bum cheek, up. Okay, option 1 will be just to do that. And option 2 is if you put a shimmy on top. Ready? Off we go. Up, up, so up, 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 up. If you want to try putting a shimmy on top, put a shimmy on top. It's fun. Even if you're not really sure what you're doing. Try to keep your chest nice and still. And then we'll be close. Keep going. Up, 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 up. Or it could just be up, 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 up. Shimmy on up. Change legs. Up, 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 up. If you want, ruffle your hair. Up, up, up. Optional shimmy with it. Up, up, up. Engage the belly. Up. Keep this high heel for me. Keep this heel off the floor. Up, 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 up. Up. We've got 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Rest. Option 1, shimmy. Keep the shimmy going while I explain to you, or if you need a break, take the break, okay? Otherwise, the next movement we're going to do the same thing but with hip drops. So I go into classical position, one heel raised, sinking into my leg, do a hip drop. We're trying to squeeze the opposite glute when the hip comes down. Option 1 is just going to be the hip. Option 2, we're going to do with a drop, okay? So ready? Get yourself set up. Off we go. Drop, drop, hip drop, hip drop, hip drop, hip drop, hip drop. Optional shimmy with it. Drop, drop, keep going. Drop, 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 down, 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 down. Otherwise, it could just be just drop, drop, drop. If you want to switch your hair, drop, 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 drop. Drop, shimmy optional, drop, 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 change legs, drop, drop, hip drop, engage the belly, chest up, shoulders down, please breathe, drop, and you're squeezing opposite glutes if you can, and it goes down, 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 optional, shimmy, drop, 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 optional arms, drop, 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 drop. 4. Okay, we're out of time. Rest. So you can either rest, shimmy of your choice. Keep your body moving if you like in between. And next we're going to do double-sided. So double-sided is when you do both. Lift and drop, okay? The classical position. We're going to do the lift, squeeze and squeeze, drop and squeeze. Lift, squeeze and squeeze these muscles, drop and squeeze. So it'll be like this, bam, 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 bam. Okay, you ready? Shimmy or not? Let's go. Ready? Up, down, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Make sure your knees are bent, please. Knees must be bent, tummy engaged, chest up, shoulders down. Option 1, keep going, just the hip. Option 2, shimmy and shimmy, shimmy and shimmy, shimmy and shimmy, shimmy and shimmy. When you put a shimmy, not as sharp, because you're softening the movement up a little bit with a shimmy. Otherwise, nice and sharp. Tack, 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 tack. Ready, change legs. Up and down. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Option 1, just the hips, try to stabilize the chest. Option 2, shimmy with it, shimmy with it, shimmy with it, shimmy with it, shimmy, 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 shimmy. Okay, we're ready there. 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So feel free to shimmy or carry on while I explain the next one. So the next one's going to be hair toss squats, which means you're going to stick your bum back, flat feet, put the bum behind you like this. I'm going to do it in twos, like this, 1, 2, 1, 2. And as you do that, you're going to toss your head with one shoulder, like this. Okay, so let's get started. Get your shimmy going while you're waiting, unless you need to take a rest. Take advantage of the rest for 4, 3. Okay, ready, go. So it's squat, squat. And make sure your bottom is reaching behind you. 1, 2, 1, 2. Toss the head. Toss. And look, I'm resting my hand on my thighs, like this, to help me. I'm pushing. So you're squatting whilst tossing your hair. Quite a fun thing to do, in my opinion. Okay, so make sure you're sticking your bum out, and otherwise you don't want to strain your back. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2. If the hair toss is too much, feel free just to stay here. Ba, 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 ba. Otherwise, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Try to relax the body as you do it. We're almost there. Ba, 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 ba. That's it. Good. 1, 2, 1, 2. A few more seconds. If you're getting dizzy, just stay here. Just stay here. All right. Shimmy. Shimmy or rest. If you're like out of energy right now, just rest. Otherwise, keep your shimmy going. Any shimmy you like. And then we're going to do side hits. So for this one, legs nice and wide. And you're just going to hit, like imagine you're going to hit the sides of the walls. And in between, we're going to just bring our legs together in shimmy. Okay? We can have arms. If it gets too much, leave the arms out. Otherwise, just hit those hips. Okay? 5. Ready? Hit. Hit, 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 hit. Push, push. Optional. Hands in your hair. Swing those hips. Try to get your chest in the middle. Shoulders down, long neck. If you want to, hands. A bit fast. So if you want to slow it down, just do a few, go for it. Legs together, shimmy. You can do this vibration shimmy, or you can do your earthquake shimmy. 6, 7, side to side. Ha, 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 ha. Heels flat on the floor. Heels flat on the floor. Shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and out. Ha, 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 ha. 5, 6, 7, 8, shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last few seconds, let's go. Option 1, rest. Option 2, do your shimmies of your choice. Okay, while I demonstrate the next move. The next one's going to be our Turkish shimmies. I call these Turkish shimmies. So you basically rotate from the waist, flat feet, keep the knees together. So you're not twisting from your knees, you're twisting from your waist. Try to keep your chest still. And it's like you want to make your booty flap around at the back like this. Okay, this one's going to give you a stitch if you do it properly, okay? So I'm rotating, go. I have my arms out to the side like a capital letter T, and I'm just rotating my hips. If I was to go really slowly, I'm just hip forward, hip forward, hip forward. Go. Optional, continue with flat feet. Option 2, tiptoe and down. Tiptoe and down. Tiptoe down. Tiptoe down. Tiptoe down. Woo. Optional. Woo, boom, keep going. Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Should be getting a stitch. I'm getting a stitch already. And it's like your booty's just bouncing around at the back. Good-dunk, 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 good-dunk. Good-dunk, 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 good-dunk. Good-dunk, 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 good-dunk. Up and down, optional. Whew. Last few seconds. Smile. Okay, rest. Option 1, rest. Option 2, continue with the shimmy and the break. Whatever feels good. Okay, we're going to do our final one, which is going to be chest up and down versus shimmies. So it would be chest lifts and chest drops. Try to keep the hips nice and still as you do that. Up and down. And we're going to alternate that with shimmies as well. Okay? So, continue to enjoy your last few seconds of the rest. Otherwise, continue with your shimmy. We'll start with the shimmy. Okay, off we go. You can roll your shoulders with it, or you can have your earthquake with it. Okay, chest. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I've actually lost my timer, so let's just keep going. I'm going to guess my minute. Okay, shimmy of your choice. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 chest, 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 chest. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shimmy. Hands up. Choose your shimmy. Choose your shimmy. Okay. And earthquakes. And chest. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 4, 3, 2, and relax. Well done. I'm not sure if that was entirely a minute because my timer ran out. But anyway, so here we are. So I hope you enjoyed that. If it wasn't enough, please go and press rewind and do it again. I will do another one, similar workout video to that soon. But for now, that's enough. Enjoy, and I'll see you in your next class with me. Okay, bye.